Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix instant transfer not working on your Robinhood account. First, check if your bank is linked through Plaid. This is required for instant transfers. Open the Robinhood app, go to your account, then tap Transfers, and look under Link Accounts. If your bank is indeed connected with Plaid, unlink it and relink it. To do that, tap Add New Account, choose Bank Account, and connect your bank through the Plaid pop-up. Once your account is linked properly, try making a small transfer again. If instant transfer still doesn't appear, it might be due to your account value, deposit history, or gold status. Instant deposits are only available to accounts in good standing and with consistent deposit activity. So, make sure your account is verified, your bank is connected via Plaid, and you built a good deposit history. And that's it. You should now be able to fix the instant transfer issue on Robinhood. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.